Zhonglin, or ZL Wang, is a Regents Professor and the Hightower Chair in Material Science and Engineering here at Georgia Tech. ZL Wang is recognized as a pioneer and world leader in nanoscience and nanotechnology. He's one of the world's 5 most cited authors in the field of nanotechnology. And in his 20 years at Georgia Tech, he's authored or co-authored 6 scientific textbooks and more than 950 peer-reviewed articles. He's obtained more than $22 million in externally funded research. And he's also a great mentor and a campus leader. He's built collaborative research programs with 20 other Georgia Tech faculty members, and in 1999, he established the Georgia Tech Electron Microscopy Center, now called the Center for Nanostructure Characterization. He's also the founding director of our Center of Nanoscience and Nanotechnology. And finally, he's an outstanding educator who has mentored numerous graduate students and postdocs who have gone on to distinguished careers in their own right in academia, in government, and in industry. He's advised and graduated more than 40 PhD students, 3 master's students, and numerous undergraduate students, and has worked with more than 110 postdoctoral research fellows and visiting scientists. Please join me in welcoming our speaker, Professor ZL Wang.
Thank you. First, I'd like to send you my sincere congratulations to the graduates of class 2014 for receiving your advanced degree. Receiving degree is a solid step, send you to your next horizon. And I probably wonder, how can I stand on this stage and be talk with you? And look back my early days. I did not have a chance for college study. I was born in a small town in China in 1961. My dream in my childhood was follow my father's step to become a general blue-collar worker, simply because higher education was banned in China back then due to an internal political situation called Cultural Revolution. I did not receive proper education until age 17. By then, I was at the last year of my high school. In 1977, the higher education was first open to general citizens like me. I was lucky to pass the exam and had a chance to go to college. But I never dreamed to study in the United States for advanced degrees simply because I have not studied English until I was age 17. But life changes if you pay the effort. In my senior year of college, there was an exchange program between US and China, which selects the top 100 students in physics for study in America. This gave me the opportunity to come to this country, which led to me what I'm today. I came to this country at age 22, 31 years ago. My dream was to study science and receive advanced education. Due to my curiosity in science and to pursue technology and my own dream, I became what I am today. In my scientific career, I find the following characteristics are particularly important towards a success, which may be useful for you. First, your career is filled of magic and opportunity. It is up to you to look for the opportunity and catch up the opportunity. We always say that a pancake can fall from the sky. To be lucky to catch the pancake, you have to stand at the right place at the right time. This means that the opportunities are created for those who have prepared for it. Secondly, a successful career is a result of hard working. Persistency is the only way you reach your goal. Like our study materials, we have kept one material study for almost 15 years, and we become the best in the world. Today's world has many talents and hard-working young people like you. The ones who will finally be successful are those who are persistent and hardworking. During our study of these new materials, we invented various technology in the last 10 years, such as our nanogenerator, piezoelectronics, which convert human motion energy for mobile electronics, for sensor network, use the energy provided by walking, breathing, muscle motion, etc. And today, we even bring this technology towards large-scale application we call so-called blue energy. Thirdly, life feels of challenge. If you are proposing a new idea, a brand new idea, nobody have ever done before, it could potentially become a revolutionary technology, but you could face tough challenges. Louis Agassi's famous quotation says, every great scientific truth goes through 3 stages. First, people say it conflicts with the Bible. Next, they say it had been discovered before. Lastly, they say they always believe in it. Some people first try to deny your idea, then through some effort you show your idea is possible and works. Then they say your idea is nothing new, it has been done before. The objective is to try to diminish your contribution. Lastly, once you continue to work on it and receive the final success and the whole world recognize it, they would say that they believe in it ever since you started work. Therefore, my lesson is disregard if others have confidence in you or not. It is you who believe in you. If you believe in you, just work for it. Confidence can only be built by yourself. Fourthly, Thomas Edison's famous quotation, genius is 1% inspiration, 99% perspiration. I'd like to change a little bit. Genius is 99% perspiration multiplied by 1% inspiration. Any of them is 0, the total outcome is 0. If one super talent, but he or she does not devote work to the project, it will not work out. And natively, if one is only working hard but lacking of talents, he or she may not reach the highest level he or she could. Finally, I personally also like a couple of Steve Jobs quotations I'd like to read to you. You cannot connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that dots will somehow connect in the future. When you first start off to solve a problem, the first solution could be come up with very complex, and most people stop there. But if you keep going and live with the problem and peel more layers of the onion off, you can often arrive at some very elegant and simple solution. And this is absolutely true finding our research. There are many habits that may contribute to your success. I'd like to say a few tips here. In your daily work, if you have 5 minutes, do 5-minute thing. Each day is made of many 5 minutes. Please do not read the same email or paper twice. Once you receive it, process it right away. Do not constantly enjoy what you did yesterday. Look forward to see what you can do tomorrow. Also, if you can get it done today, do it today. There's always a tomorrow. Now you have received the best education in the world from Georgia Tech, and you are equipped with the basic knowledge and skills that you use in your near future career. You are talented, energetic, and excited, and you are ready to reach your dream. A big dream is made of many small dreams. Think big, but work step by step. You all have the outstanding potential to be the leading scientists and engineers in whatever you choose to do. Georgia Tech and the teachers like us will look forward to hear from your success. You are proud of Georgia Tech today. Georgia Tech will be proud of you tomorrow. Congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Wang, for joining us, and congratulations on being named Distinguished Professor.